So guys, like I said, I always love to come to all the stalls and catch up with all my designer friends. And today I am here with Pallavi Mohan. How are you doing? How do you
Very
feel? What's the energy like today for you?
It's good that you're here, so the energies have doubled, tripled. It's lovely.
Yay, that's amazing. You know, I love her because I feel her energy is so beautiful. I love to interview her. I love coming for her shows. I love everything that she has. Worn your collection so many times. Love it. Tell me, how do you feel 25 years of Lakme Fashion Week?
Well, I feel very old because I've been a part of the fraternity since 2008. It's literally more than half my career, my life with FDCA Lakme. So a lot of nostalgia going back to when I started at my first hi-fi show. This is the platform which gave me the encouragement. This is where I got my buyers. I was motivated. So yeah, very, very, very emotional about the fact that it's been that long.
Did you get a chance to go and catch up with all your friends around?
Yes, I was with Mrs. Sethi just a couple of hours ago, and meeting all the colleagues, all my friends here twice a year. It's always exchanging notes, bitching the world, talking about what's happening in the industry. So yes,
That's exciting, right? I enjoy like this part of the year. It's like we all from the fashion community, we all meet.
energy.
Yeah, energy is different. I have some really interesting questions for you. Pallavi, yes, if you were a fabric, what would you be?
Organza.
I love that. You know, I actually thought something else.
What did you think? Satin, silk, feathers?
Yes.
Organza. Look who's here.
Oh, love it. So I wanted you on my show and finally you.
Yeah, you know, I'm here to support her and many other designers. So fantastic. You have so many designer interview questions.
Designer interview questions, yes. But really lovely to see our star for the Fashion Week 25 years. Amazing to see you here.
Listen, celebrating my birthday, 25 years
How are
tomorrow.
you treating us tomorrow? I want to know that, right? The fashion community.
Surprise.
Amazing. That was Sunil Sethi for us and beautiful. He just came in. You know, that is his energy. Exactly, exactly.
He's got all of us together. You know, he's a difficult, tough human being, but look at us. We're so many designers, and for somebody to manage a show of this level with everybody who's somebody, right? It's not easy.
And I feel like he's always very supportive of all the young designers as well. I've been seeing that of him, you know.
He supported NSS 18, 19 years ago, and that's why I am here today, right? If I didn't have that high five show and if I didn't have that platform, I wouldn't have been. I'm very fortunate.
We all are very fortunate to know this man in the fashion industry and
the challenges.
and the challenges for sure. Let's not forget that. In your collection, I mean, we've seen various shows that you've done. You always stuck with your core values that you have. And I was just thinking this question, like, is there any personality or a figure that you really want to see your collection in?
You know what? I want to style at some point in my life a person who doesn't think that this is for her. The clothes should never own a person, right? It should be to enhance a person's personality. So I don't have a particular person, but yes, if Audrey Hepburn was alive, I would have loved to style her. I think she's a style diva. So if I could go in the past, it would have been Audrey Hepburn, and I would have loved to work with Chanel at some point. Love what she's kind of created as a brand. It's such a legacy. It's all timeless. Look at your pearls, right? Like
Look at your pearls. I was just seeing that.
in Chanel, I would have loved to work with, to learn from her, and Audrey Hepburn would be somebody I would have loved to style.
Pallavi, what's exactly happening in this whole fashion business right now? Do you see any sort of changes around as a designer?
Yeah, there are a lot of changes. The world's become a lot more competitive. Social media, easy accessibility to designers across the world, homegrown brands, not just in India, everywhere. They're so it's harder to do business today than it was 5 years ago or a decade ago. So what keeps us going is, I think, our core value system, staying true to your identity. It's very challenging. The geopolitical situation also affects business. But hey, you know what? Life is all about ups and downs. It's seasonal and it's gonna pick up, and fashion never goes out of fashion.
Amazing, Pallavi. Good wishes to you. I love your energy. I love your clothes. I love you as a person. Thank you so much for talking to us. And that's Pallavi Mohan for you.
That's her. She's beautiful, isn't she? Just look at her.
Thank
Style
you.
diva.
Thank you.